Okay, so I think that most of you had problems with this, and we want to maybe just write down some of the things that we do know. So for example, that the force of gravity on the textbook is equal to 20 newtons. The force of gravity on the man by the earth, so textbook and earth, is 600 newtons. And the man is pushing up on the textbook at 25 newtons. Okay, so the man is interacting with the floor, he's interacting with the earth. Okay, and the textbook is interacting with the ceiling at a normal force, so this is also normal force because he's pushing, and this is a gravitational force, and the textbook is interacting with the earth at a gravitational force. Okay, so here's a textbook. Okay, and we are going to say that the textbook is being pulled down by the earth, and we know that. So force of gravity on the textbook by the earth is happening at 20 newtons. And then we also know that it is being pushed up by the man at it's a normal force on the textbook by the man, and it's happening at 25 newtons. Because neither of them are moving, we also know that it's a balanced force. So it's a balanced force. So that means this and the everything going up and everything going down need to equal each other. So that means that the ceiling, so it's a normal force on the textbook by the ceiling, is happening at 5 newtons. And so now the man, so here's the man, and he's being pulled to the center of the earth. So it's a gravitational force on the man by the earth at 600 newtons. And we also know that the book is pushing down on him. The book is also, so normal force on the man by the textbook is happening at 25 newtons. And this is, we know this because of, so this right here, this, and this is what we would call Newton's third law. So Newton's third law pair. And so then our down direction is 600 plus 25. That means this is going to be, the floor is, it's a normal force on the man by the floor is happening at 625 newtons.